Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Investor here coming at you with another video. So today I went on a nice little jog for the first time in a while. I am trying to improve my health and I figured, heck, if I could earn a little bit of money while doing so, why not? And this video is not sponsored. I am not with Sweatcoin. I'm not partnered with them. I do have a link with them, which if you use, it'll be down in the description. And I want to go over in this video, what is Sweatcoin and why you should do it. Now, are you going to get rich off of Sweatcoin? No. Sweatcoin is not something that you're going to become a millionaire overnight over. It's not something you would even invest any money into. What you do is you download the app, which the link will be in the description. You could have it for Android and iOS. And when you do that and you go for a jog, you turn on the app. You open the app, put your phone in your pocket and just jog. You will earn Sweatcoin by jogging. And every day you earn a certain amount. There's like a daily login bonus as well. I think I have like 10 Sweatcoin. I'm not sure exactly. And eventually, when you have enough Sweatcoins built up, you could get prizes. And they have a variety of different prizes. Some of them are small prizes, things like little gift cards, right? But they also have things where you could win $1,000, right? Just by getting enough Sweatcoin. So the trick is with this is to balance it, because you don't want the financials to be the only incentive. You want to get in good health. You want to exercise more. I'm trying to get in better health. I'm going out. I'm going to be doing a daily jog every day. And yes, I will be opening my Sweatcoin app and earning some money doing it. It's basically to keep in mind this. You're not going to become a millionaire over it. You're not going to make a ton of money off it. But it is another incentive. If health alone isn't the incentive, hey, you could win a few gift cards. You could win some awesome prizes. They have big stuff on here too. Like I said, you could get $1,000 if you get enough Sweatcoins. So every day, try and do a little bit of exercise. If you go to your 9-to-5 job and you walk to lunch, right? Have Sweatcoins on. If you have an active job, have Sweatcoin on. Have the app working so you're constantly earning money when you walk and when you run and when you jog. Now, I've only had it for a few days. I'm going to do a couple more videos on it as time goes on, like my Sweatcoin journey, and talk about things you could win. But look right here, you could get an iPhone 8. You could get $1,000 PayPal cash, vacation. They have some credits for shoes, lots of coupons. Now, I like this app because I don't think it's a scam. It has been featured on TechCrunch, the New York Times, Forbes, Reuters, Daily Mail, The Telegraph. This is not a scam. If you're wondering, well, where does the money come from? Where do they make their money? I read into their business model because I'm all into business and entrepreneurship. Their plan is to eventually integrate insurance and stuff into it to where they could actually give insurance companies a better way to evaluate prices. So like if you're an active Sweatcoin user, maybe in the future when this happens, when this comes to fruition, you get a lower insurance rate. And this is just speculation. This isn't confirmed or anything. I'm sure they make some money by partnering with the companies because, you know, there's quasi ads on there. So there is a source of revenue, which if you're trying to identify if something is legit or not, you have to identify the source of revenue. And if they have a revenue source, whether it's through ads or through offers, then it's unlikely a scam, like because they have they have money coming in, and of that money, maybe they dedicate half of it to the Sweatcoin community. I don't know exactly what the numbers are. I don't know. I like it. I'm going to be documenting my progress with it. Be sure to download it. Link is in the description. Use my link, and that way I think you actually might get a bonus if you use my link. I'm not sure exactly if you get the bonus. Don't quote me on that, but either way, use my link. And I'm going to be documenting my progress. Probably expect a couple more videos on this over the next few weeks. Maybe I'll do a video on this every 2 weeks. I'll do like a Sweatcoin update. But I'm interested. I want to improve my health. I want to earn some money doing it or earn some rewards doing it. And I like the vision of the project. So that's really it for this video, guys. I will catch you in the next one. Be sure to grab it and have a great day.